Let's take a look at total sales, and we will create a couple of those newer chart formats. For the first one, we are going to select the sales name, and using my control key again, I'm going to select my total sales. Just those two columns of information. Go to your Insert tab, and you can see in the Charts area all of the different charting options that are available. Excel will make recommendations as to the charts that I can choose. So I can select the dialog box, and it will show me different types of charts that I can select. The one that I want is actually available in this. It's called a Pareto chart. So I will select the Pareto chart and click OK. What the Pareto chart shows me is two different axes. One on the left that shows the total sale value, and one on the right that shows what we're considering 100%. So I can see the value that each individual sold. I can also see how that fits into the overall sales for the entire group. The nice thing about this Pareto chart format is that if one of the values changes, in previous versions of Excel, you had to reformat the data so that it looked correct. But as I change this value, you'll notice that the data shifts and Ryan jumps further up the line because the value has increased. So instead of you having to go back to your data and reorder the chart, it automatically repositions the data for you. And that is the Pareto chart, one of the new charts available in Excel 2016. Another new type of chart available is called the Treemap. In this situation, we're again going to have ordered data like we did with the Pareto chart. However, I'm also going to group it into different regions. So I'm going to select my country column and my last name column, and then using my control key, control select the last column of data. To insert my chart, I click the Insert tab on the ribbon, select the Hierarchy dropdown and choose Treemap, and my data is displayed in groups. All of the US items are in blue, all of the Canada items are in orange, and all of the Mexico items are in gray. Within any of those regions, if any of the values change, it will automatically reorder them. So notice Clark is the smallest value. If I change that from 55 to 105, it jumps to the very beginning of the list because now it is the largest value. And that is the Treemap.